Navitasefficens is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. Presenting you a unique design and its installation of 10 kilowatt solar PV rooftop system for a society. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like, comment, share our videos. Now let us understand this unique project in detail. This site had few challenges. 1. It is a 8-story high building. 2. The terrace was divided into 3 penthouses, so very less area was available for accommodating 30 solar panels. 3. The structure needs to be raised since the client wanted to use the area for other activities. 4. This raised structure is to withstand the high wind pressure. To overcome these challenges, we designed a 3D digital model to work on the accuracy. Now let us check out the actual installation. Firstly, we installed GI columns, beams and frames for panel installation. Skilled manpower was deputed to work on this site. Structure and panel installation was done following the digital model to achieve maximum accuracy. What an amazing view can be seen from the topmost height of the building. It's really breathtaking. A structurally stable walkway was designed for maintenance and cleaning of solar panels. Perfection achieved at its best can be seen through these comparisons. We have highly experienced staff for project designing, 3D model making and executing the same under the guidance of our structural designer. The site conditions are different every time and our team tries to make it unique by effectively utilizing the space and other resources to get maximum output. And that's our specialty. Thank you.